When it's too hot to cook, but you want something cold, spicy and delicious, what do you reach for?
This is Oi Kimchi, Korean cucumber kimchi, and it's a request from my lovely friend Jiyoung. She's kind, beautiful, and just a joy to be around.
Oi Kimchi has long been a summer favorite in Korea. Unlike neighbor cabbage kimchi, its quick doesn't need to ferment much and stays nice and crisp. It's often served as a banchan, a side dish, but it can be the star on hot days. Let's get started. Cut the cucumbers into sticks. Use a peeler to gently remove the seeds. This helps the cucumbers less watery. Sprinkle with coarse salt and let them sit for 15 minutes. Salting keeps the cucumbers crisp. Then rinse and drain well. In a bowl, mix chili flakes, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, plum syrup, sugar, and the cold rice. Add the sesame seeds. Lightly mash rice to help it blend. Cool rice adds sweetness and helps mild fermentation. Squeeze out excess water. Add the cucumbers and chopped garlic chives and toss everything until well coated. Toss gently to keep the cucumbers intact. Transfer to a clean container and chill for at least half a day. It tastes even better the next day. It's spicy, crunchy, and a little sweet. I could eat this every day in summer. Food brings people together. I'm grateful for friends like Jian and for dishes like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.